Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a part 2 of my previous video on how to make a travel game using if loops, repeat loops and variables. We have done this much code and yeah, so you can just try it out if it's working. Yeah, and you can see there's an auto code where whenever I touch anything, whenever I touch any character, it just vanishes. So in this game, that's supposed to happen because over here, whenever we touch any character, it should vanish and we should touch all of them. So now, before we start dragging and dropping and making our game more awesome, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you'll get updated when I and my team post any new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So now we have done this much code and I even run it and showed to you guys. So now we had only done code for background, grid map, droid, speed, and characters, up, down, right, left. So now we need to do a code for when I get all of these stormtroopers or all of the mouse droids and the points. So now I click on game and score and you get a set score block. You scroll up in the top, set score, put that to the side, just a space. I'm going to remove this text input. And now I'm going to click on variables, get a I variable. I'm just going to rename it. I'm going to rename it as points and create. So now I'm going to go to variables once again and get this one. Put it in set score, click on maths, get a number and put 0. Now we have done the code for setting the points on top of the screen. So now we need to change the points, right? So we click on events and when get all, it's buffer pigs over there, but you click on the little arrow and select stormtroopers. We are going to go copy paste the set score. Just doing Control C and V. And I'm going to go to maths and getting a plus operator. I'm going to remove this text input 2 and put points plus 5. I want, as there are 5 stormtroopers, I want the score to be plus 5 because each stormtrooper gets 1 score. So set score as points plus 5 and we can even play a sound. So I'm just going to click on actions, play a random sound, or I'm just going to select this. Yeah, that's great. So I'm just going to copy paste it once again. Select Ctrl C and V. When get all mouse droids, play. I'm going to play mouse droid 1. It's sound like mouse droid 1. Here we go. So we're going to do that and set score to points plus 5. Let's just try out this code. Gonna make it bigger so you guys can see. So 0, I have score 0 now, 0, 0. Yeah, see, it just played the sound and I got 5 scores. There we go. I'm gonna reset it. And we had done that much code. And now we're gonna use an if loop and one more event. So just click on events. When get all characters, click on logic. Get an if loop. Click on logic again and equal to. If I'm going to click on points, CME. If points equal to, as the mouse droids are pretty small, I'm going to just do it as plus 10 because they're pretty small and difficult to catch. So if points equal to, I'm going to go on math again, get a number operator. If points equal to, as 10 plus 5 is 15, point equal to 15. Then go to game score, go to actions actually. And I'm going to play a sound. So I'm just going to let it as random and end game as in game score you get as end game as win. So we're done with our Star Wars game. Make sure to try this out. Hit that like button.